Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup flood insurance records with FEMA portal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to the FEMA portal. Open your web browser and go to the official FEMA website. Click on the login option located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on register and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the flood insurance section of your dashboard. Select My Policy to view your current flood insurance details. Click on the option to download your policy documents. Ensure you download all relevant documents including declarations and endorsements. Next, locate the Document Management section within the portal. Here, you can upload your downloaded documents for backup. Click on the Upload button. Select the files you want to backup from your device. Confirm the upload and ensure each file is correctly displayed. Check for any error messages to ensure successful uploading. After confirming the upload, log out of the FEMA portal. Store a copy of the downloaded documents securely on your device. Consider printing a physical copy for your records. Regularly check your FEMA account for any updates or changes to your policy. This ensures that your backup remains current and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.